This video will walk you through designing an address label with any web browser using the ZSB Label Designer tool. Start by going to zsbseries.com/workspace. Select My Designs. Next, select Create New Design. The label size that appears first is the one currently inside your printer. From the design options, go ahead and select the address label template. Select Continue, and a template for your address label will appear. Select the text tool from the Objects panel at the top of the screen. Decide where you want your text to go, then click and drag on the label to place it. The Object Properties panel will open for your text box. Choose Fixed Text and enter the address you want on your label. You can adjust the font, style, and alignment to fit your needs. To make your label easy to find later, let's give it a name. Select the pencil icon located at the top of your screen and type in the label name. Select anywhere on the screen after entering the name. Your design is automatically saved, so there is no need to worry about losing your work. Finally, when you are happy with your design, select the print icon to print your address label. For additional help or information on designing custom address labels, please visit our support page at zsbseries.com/support.